Assalamu alaikum friends. So today we are at another place in Riyadh and here the kids are enjoying a lot. This is Al Hukair Land and we are here on the Tuesday special offer and many kids from the city have arrived here to spend their timings and it's almost 7 hours unlimited time, you see. So kids are really enjoying here and there are variety of swings, variety of activities. As you can see, it's a long slide, it's a long juggling slide. So in this difficult situation when all the schools have been closed because the pandemic is on the rise and you see the situation is not under control in many countries yet, and our country KSA has taken special measures and very effective measures in fact to curb out this pandemic. In these tough times, these types of activities are really very essential for kids because kids don't have their social lives. You see, we adults can talk on IMO, we can use Zoom and we can just do video calling with each other, but kids, they also need a special attention and they only feel good when they are having fun in their own age group. So these types of activities and these types of places are really very important for kids, and now this has become a great necessity in these days. You see, many parents who were not into these activities, now they are trying to bring their kids more and more so that their kids don't feel isolated. So you see, this has a special impact on the psychology, on the kids psychology. So these types of gatherings and these get-togethers, especially meant for kids, are really very important for their mental health. You see, apart from studies and education, we cannot just ignore mental health. It's a very important issue. And it's not only for adults or the people of old age. This is especially important for kids as well because they cannot express themselves, what they are feeling inside. Are they feeling so bored? Are they feeling so isolated? So if they are given these types of opportunities, definitely it will be a healthy thing for them also. And the kids from various age groups you can see in this video. And you see how neat and clean is this. There is proper sanitization available and the kids have been given special socks to wear so that they can maintain the hygiene and the neatness and the cleanliness of this venue. The prices are very reasonable here and kids along with their mothers are enjoying here. And see, the elder sister is helping out her younger brother to wear the special socks that have been given by the management here to all the kids. And we have special snack bars also with burgers and other fast food available. Cold drinks and water bottles are available outside easily. See, this is very nice pipe like thing and the kids are enjoying here. And we have a trampoline also, and we have some soft toys also inside, and we have a variety of other activities here that have been lined up for kids. Okay, so Kanita is going inside to have more fun with other friends, or maybe she is looking for her younger brother. See, they are talking to each other. Okay, so this is the trampoline on which all the kids are jumping, and sometimes unintentionally they push each other. You see, they are falling down, but still they are enjoying. It's really, alhamdulillah, a very हासिल आराम से गिर रहे हो।